Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's Timothy Williams Jr. Have you ever bought something from a company and someone asked where you purchased it from? Wouldn't it be great to get paid for that referral? A lot of YouTubers, influencers, and everyday people like yourself are getting paid to do so. It's called affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about affiliate marketing, which companies you can use starting today as a beginner, and the potential earnings for each company. Affiliate marketing is when an already established company pays you to advertise their products or services that generate sales. The best part about it is you don't need to start a new company to start earning money. You're paid to refer customers to brands or services that you love and use every day. Majority of us are guilty of going to a store, picking up a product that caught our eye, checking the price of that product, going on our phone, looking up that same product on Amazon, and 9 times out of 10 it's cheaper on Amazon. So we go home, order that product, and get it shipped from Amazon. Amazon is like the second biggest company. They're taking over the world. People are ordering from Amazon every single day. That gives you a great opportunity to start affiliate marketing with Amazon. So how it works is after you're all signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, you buy a book from Amazon and you post it on your social media accounts. Someone asks you, hey, where'd you purchase that book? What you do is go to your Amazon account and share the affiliate link with the person that wants to buy that book. Once they click that link that you sent them, you get paid a commission for doing so. The way that Amazon tracks who uses your link and purchases something, it's called a cookie. A cookie is a piece of data from a website that is stored within the web browser that the website can retrieve at a later time. Amazon's cookie is 24 hours. So if you send them that link and they purchase that book within 24 hours, you get a commission for doing so. So if you refer someone to that link, they have 24 hours to purchase that product so you can get a commission. It's not a lot of time. A lot of companies that I will mention in this video have a longer cookie. But the great thing about Amazon is, let's say you refer someone to a book, they click that link, put that book in their cart, and they purchase a bunch of other things, you get paid commission for all of those products. I just started the Amazon affiliate program this month. It's not the highest paid affiliate program in this video, but it is a great start for someone who's looking to start affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you guys the numbers so far on my affiliate program. I have 115 clicks with a total commission of $3.79. It's not a lot, but I only referred people to books. Books are not high paid because they're not that expensive. Look at the full report here. Go to earnings. So if you look here, all of these are books, but right here, someone purchased Energizer AA batteries for $17.38. I earned a 17-cent commission on that product. And then someone ordered a phone case that was $14. I earned 56 cents. So the more products that you do recommend, and also the more products that someone purchases when they use your affiliate link, the more money you'll earn. Amazon pays between 1 to 20% depending on which product you recommend. If you look at the list here, you can see exactly how much Amazon is paying by whatever product you refer. Next, we have Fiverr. It's a growing site. It's great for people who want to outsource work that they don't want to do. I looked on Fiverr and found everything that I was looking for besides someone to go to work for me. No, but really, I went on Fiverr and found someone to edit all of my YouTube videos and make them into TikTok as well as Instagram Reels to promote my YouTube on my different social media platforms. The great thing about Fiverr, they have a 30-day cookie. So if you refer someone with a link, they have 30 days to purchase something so you get a commission for it. Fiverr has 2 different ways to pay you as an affiliate. You choose which one works best for you. They have the Fiverr CPA. They pay you between $15 to $150. Then they have the Fiverr Hybrid. They pay you $10 plus 10% revenue share for 12 months. Me personally, I would go with the Fiverr Hybrid because you get that $10 and also that 10% for the first 12 months anytime they purchase something. I'm going to be using Fiverr at least once a week for my YouTube channel to edit my little small clips, turn them into Reels, as well as Instagram to promote on my different social media accounts. So if you refer someone like myself, in that first 12 months, you're going to make a lot of money. Next, we have Coinbase. If you're involved into cryptocurrency and you're using Coinbase, you can be taking advantage of this and getting free crypto. Their cookie is 30 days, which is great for you because you can refer someone and they have 30 days to decide if they want to use Coinbase and you'll start earning. They have 2 different ways that you can start earning. They have the referral link. If you refer anyone and they deposit at least $100, they get $10 of free Bitcoin and you get $10 of free Bitcoin. If you're trading crypto and you're not using Coinbase, be sure to click my link down below and deposit at least $100. You get $10 of free Bitcoin, I get $10 of free Bitcoin. The other way is to sign up for their affiliate program. Once you sign up for their affiliate program and you refer someone and they start trading using Bitcoin, you get 50% of their trading fees for the first 3 months. So you have the potential to earn a lot of money if they're trading a lot within that first 3 months. Next, we have eBay. eBay connects 183 million buyers worldwide. eBay may not be as big as it used to, but a lot of people are still using it every single day. They have one thing that Amazon doesn't. They have the auction. They have the online auction. A lot of people love this feature. You can earn up to 4% commission anytime someone purchases something using your affiliate link. You can easily make $100 per month by referring eBay. As long as you're getting that 4% commission every time, all you need to do is drive at least $2,500 worth of sales every single month. Next, we have Teachable. Teachable is one of the biggest platforms for someone creating a course. Anytime you want to expand your knowledge on a new business venture, I highly suggest that you purchase a course. Me personally, I purchased a handful of courses. Any course that I purchased, the average cost is $500. Teachable is a great company that you can become an affiliate for. They have a 90-day cookie, which is going to be the longest cookie for any of the businesses that I mentioned in this video. They pay 30% of the order sell amount. So if you're recommending a bunch of courses that are $500, you're going to get $150 every time someone purchases that course using your affiliate link. That's a lot of money. If you can crank out 10 referrals every single month, that's $1,500 just by referring someone to purchase someone else's course for a business or an idea that you never started. Another great affiliate is Canva. Anytime I make a thumbnail, anytime I edit a video or anything, I'm using Canva. Me personally, I'm not that creative and I'm not that good at using Photoshop, so I got rid of Photoshop and I use Canva. Canva is a free platform, but you're very limited on how much you can do using the free version. I recommend that you upgrade to Canva Pro. You're not limited and you can do everything that the platform offers. They have a 30-day cookie, so if someone uses your affiliate link within 30 days and they sign up to become a Canva Pro member, you earn up to $36 every time someone uses your affiliate link. That $36 can add up fairly quickly. Find a bunch of influencers like me that aren't very creative or they're not good at editing, recommend them to Canva, they're gonna be happy, and you're also gonna earn your $36 when referring them. Last on the list is Bluehost. It's a professional web provider. They have a 90-day cookie which ties with Teachable of the longest on this list, and they're paying $65 per referral. The Bluehost is starting off at $295 per month, and also they're giving you a free domain for the first year. There are a lot of great perks of using Bluehost, and it's a great opportunity for you to start affiliate marketing with them and earning $65 per referral. If you're watching this and you don't have a big following, don't worry, you can still do great things with affiliate marketing. First, you need to figure out your niche. Once you figure out your niche, you can start to blog about the products or services in your niche. Or you can take it a step further and start a YouTube channel and start to do product reviews. Once doing product reviews, you can leave the description in the link so people can purchase that product or service that you're doing a review on. Once you get a big enough following, companies will start to send you free products to do product reviews. You'll be getting free products and then also making money by affiliate marketing. If you're someone who's not comfortable being in front of the camera, you can B-roll all of your footage when doing product reviews so you're not showing your face and you don't have to worry about being in front of the camera. All of the links for the products and services that I mentioned in this video will be down in the description, so check those out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a video, and as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much.